Of boarding school. I'm waiting for you. I'm sorry. I'm just taking a shower. Okay. Oh, my phone here. Her phone is new. So let's start. Let's go. To school. Oh, okay. Sorry, I didn't stop it because like I totally don't want to stop it. So yeah. Okay, so in here I'm gonna stop it. Yeah. We're here. Yeah, we're here in school. I'm going to because I don't have school stuff. I just have my phone and everything. Like I'm sorry. Oh my gosh. Wait guys, I'm gonna move this thing. Oh my gosh, why is in here? Who's this boy? I don't allow about laptop here. Oh, really? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? Just don't want to allow this boy. I just need to get don't want my family area anything. Do you wanna sit with your bag? I'm sorry. Okay, so yeah, we're going to get this question. Sorry guys, hindi kasi ako parang yung mga sulat na ganito. Hindi kasi magkasya pag ginanto ko. Tingnan nyo. Hindi magkasya ang mga walang mga lines. So tuturuan ko na lang kayo ng mga hindi na lang mga words na ganyan. So yun na lang yung mga sulat-sulat na mga ito. Ang mga ibon ay labasan, tas ganyan. Oh, sige, sulati. Ay, English pala ako, kala ko Tagalog. So, tara, English. Write this, please. Write this. Write this question. Okay. Get your notebooks. Need to get my notebook. Let's move this laptop here. This under here. There you go, my notebook. I don't have any my pencil right now, so yeah. Don't have my pencil. So I'm gonna write it with this one. Just need to borrow some pencil. Okay. Ang mga kagandang mga dalaga ay pumunta sa kanilang asawa at magpapakasal. Joke lang. joke lang yun guys. Ang sinulat ko lang ay ang mga dalaga ay sibig na sa trabaho, tas yung mga tagdalaga ay mga ano dyan, yan. Hindi ko kasi maintindihan kasi nga talaga guys is parang na tong ano tawag dito, ilog, parang ilog yan, parang ilog na yan. So yan lang. I'm going to get your grades right back. Oh my gosh, I forgot my notebook at school, at my house. So this is pretending this is her notebook and this is her pencil. Okay. I'm gonna be finished. Me too. Need to get their grades. Knock knock. Come in. Hi, I wanna get my students the grades. Okay. What they are? One for Ellie, she has A+. Okay. And one for Jane. Okay, A+. Yep. Oh boy. Just put this right here. Okay, Jane. Who's Jane here? I'm Jane. And who's Jane? Kylie or Kaylee? My name is Kaylee. Okay, Jaylee. I mean, this is, forgot her name, so Jaylee, and Kaylee. Whoa, thanks, teacher. Thanks. Oh my gosh. Time to go home. Or just you gonna go to recess because like it's already Okay, teacher. Just recess. You guys are going to I'm gonna erase this board and you guys are going to with anyways. So yeah. Alright. Okay. Wait, we need to go to anything. We just need to go home now because like I need to go home. Have to go home. Both you. Nothing. I'm just gonna. Yeah. Yeah. Sorry. I didn't stop it again because like I'm so lazy that I'm so lazy to I'm lazy to stop it. Let's eat first. Okay. Where is the oh no. Oh there. Maybe this one. Maybe this one. I think so. Oh there it is. There it is. That I see it now. It's like yeah. Ooh, let's see. Really like I mean this stuff. Legs, outfits for the graduating. It's like a football, like this boy is getting football and like he can throw it like it's like from earlier. So let's start the chaos. We're here. Can I just eat here? We just need to eat here, but I don't have any money. Speaking of these clothes, this is like G-Felix Gaming, guys. So yeah, let's eat here. Girl, you wait here. I'm going to Anna. Or just Anna. Just sit there and hold my bag. Okay. Hi. Hi. I don't have any money, but can we just eat this for free? Sure. This one is free. All of this is free. Okay. Can I just get this one? Okay. You add one anything? Nothing. I just need to get this one and I gotta drink something. Okay. Just need some coffee. I don't need the dessert. Okay, girl, about you. There's free thing. Oh, okay. Hi. Hi. Just get this and I want can I just get the something? What did you want? I don't know what I want. It's like yeah. I just need to get the buns and ooh, there's posters. This one too. Yeah. And can I get sorry, let me get this one. I need to get this cup for drinking something. What do you want to drink? Want the heart one. Oops. What is in here? So yeah. Bye. Okay. Well, where did you get the boxes? I just found it. That's it. I need to throw this away. Guys, just wait. It's unhinging. Let's go. Okay. You don't throw that. I'm sorry. You need to throw it away. Scare. Finding more. Oh, who's that boy? Don't know. You're going to getting a new crush now? No! Stop it! I don't have any of that. Because I'm still a kid. I'm 9 years old. Are you kidding me? I'm just only 15 years old. And you just said that? I know. I'm your girlfriends at your neighbor's house. Kidding. Is it Jake? Yeah. Jake is so cool. Anyways, I need to go home. We need to go now. I didn't get it right, but yeah, so like really dumb. Get my phone. Pack my stuff. Hi, sweetie. Hi, mom. What is your breakfast? Nothing. I just get in school and yeah. Thanks a lot. Bye. Bye. Hey, girl. What is it, girl? Let's just play this. Play. Okay. What is the green? Oh my gosh. My turn. Good. I'm starving. I'm still to eat this. Yummy. Ugh. Guys, it's still not dead yet. But yeah. I'm just watching TikTok. Man, just need to get my laptop. Please. Don't need your laptop. Fine. I need to get my laptop. Let's just pretend this is her laptop. Okay. Yeah. Later I'm gonna play Roblox. Now it's time for taking my laptop now. Speaking of Roblox, I need to ready. Wait guys. There we go. You guys, all of the hobbies on here, like I joined him and like she is a girl, but it's Cassandra, my best friend. Honest little, but I don't want to log out Roblox because like when I log out, I said like I got Yaj. I mean, I'm sorry for Yaj that I don't think I want to play Togaboka on Roblox, but it's not working, guys. Will you play Roblox? It's the same. Oh my god. Chill Obby. Chill obby? What's a chill obby for? So yeah, this is my Roblox. This is my Roblox. First time that I got Roblox. I don't know how to play Roblox, but I got Roblox. I'm just joking. I love to play Roblox. So yeah, it's not anime. So let's just get what? So cute. Wait guys. Kahit sino ka pa, basta't mahal kita. Nandito lang ako, sumusunod sa'yo. Mahal kita na lang. So sweet.
Hi guys, gusto ko lang malaman nyo na hindi mo na ako magko-content or magpo-post man dito kasi shadow ban ako eh. Ilang araw na, ilang week na. Nakakapagod mag-edit tapos wala lang manonood. Hindi ko alam bakit. Unti-unti nawawala yung mga viewers ko, followers ko. Sana naman mabalik na. Back with me. Hi mga be. So, tulungan niyo ako maghanap ng setup ng camera ko kasi po in-arrange ko yung organizer ko and yun guys, it's so malawak na siya be. Pinalawak. Fake unbox with me. So yung inipak ko kanina, fake unbox ko yun. Back with me. This is my new channel. I just want fake unbox with.
So cute naman guys. Nakaano siya. Pero ako is naka 96. 69 1016 96. Oh my gosh. Sino guys yung mahilig dito?
Ano mo sa sanga? Putulin mo na yung sanga.
Tinulungan guys ako ng ito. Patuloy niya. What is totally it's real here? That's real, the original one. So that's real. So yeah.
isang dalagang Pilipina. Ay, nakita kong isang babae, di ko malimutan ang kanyang imahe.
So, yan lang guys. Kung gusto niyo pa magpa-request sa akin dun sa YouTube ko is magpa-request lang kaya sa TikTok ko o kaya sa YouTube ko. So, may YouTube link ako. Dito. Yung mga iba naman, magsisipag subscribe sa akin. 9 subscribers lang ako. Tingnan nyo, oh. Diba? So, i-uploadin ko na siya. Bye, guys.